Flip your hiccups upside down, literally. Did you know that drinking water while bending forward and tilting your head upside down can stop those pesky hiccups faster than any old school trick like holding your breath or chomping on sugar? This quirky method works because it resets your diaphragm, which is often the culprit behind those annoying spasms. By drinking upside down, you're giving your body a little shock, prompting your diaphragm to contract and relax in a new rhythm, effectively stopping the hiccups in their tracks. Next time you feel that familiar tickle, grab a glass of water, bend forward, and sip away while your head is inverted. It's not only a fun party trick but a genuinely effective solution that will leave you and your friends amazed. So, why stick to the same old remedies when you can turn your world upside down and banish hiccups for good?